Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again, bringing you one of the 100 ways to motivate yourself. Here we are, part 47 of this 100-part series, and today we're talking about a pretty interesting principle. I probably say that almost every time these days, but this one is pretty good. I use this one quite a bit for a kind of a subliminal messaging idea, but the principle is called Rewind Your Thoughts. I don't know, some of these titles are a little bit just there for eye candy compared to what they're actually about. And what this one is really about is about finding what motivates you and hanging it on the wall. Is it a picture of $1 million? Is it a picture of your great success? Is it like, the name of the company you plan to found? Is it the title of the book you're gonna write? Is it the title of like your YouTube channel that's gonna break, 20 million subscribers? Is it your what is it that your dream is? Okay, it can be anything. And it could be some kind of scientific achievement, it could be your degree, it could be like anything, okay? Anything you want to achieve, it's a good idea to put it up in a prominent location. So what he says is you can note anything in this program, other programs, and you can just take that and put it up somewhere. Put up a sign. I am somebody who kind of likes to draw. I have not quite gotten my artwork up in here for the beginning of this semester for kind of my dorm room in this area. But when it comes to, I normally follow this principle like a bunch. And what I do is I'll color in my own posters. I'll color in my own just even a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be good. My art skills are nothing, And what you can do is you can just do that. Draw yourself a picture of what you want. Draw yourself a phrase, anything that can be there. At home, I have a phrase over my bed so that every morning I wake up that has the affirmation, every day in every way I am getting better and better. And you guys know how much I like that affirmation. I think that's a huge one. That's one that's really worked with me a lot recently, gotten me over a few months to even get so much better at so many things. Because literally every day in every way I am getting better and better. It's like that. It feels like that. And that's really what's important here, because when you get your beliefs reprogrammed, that gets your subconscious mind more on the track with your desires. When your desires and your beliefs work together, that is the true center of action, motivation, energy, all that kind of thing. So when you can hang up ideas, posters, pictures, anything that are going to get you to live that more dreamlike life, your subconscious mind will be better conditioned. Even if you don't even look at it that much, even if you just take a slight glance, your subconscious mind is going to see it more and more and more and more and be programmed more and more and more and more just by seeing it every little once in a while. Anyway, that's about it for this principle, so I'll see you guys next time with part 48. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.